Here we are on our Sunday morning walk in the rain. What?
Nothing. Almost dropped my jacket.
You look amazing in the rain.
Oh, thank you. You anti-shaving yourself?
Yeah, good thing I'm not on camera.
You look beautiful. You're my gal.
We're not supposed to be walking on this road. Shh.
We cutting back through, or we going the long way?
You want to go through the woods?
Fine with me. Unless you want more longer walk.
We can go through the woods. Over here?
Right here?
Alright. Awesome.
You going the long way? Alright, we'll go this way then.
We can go that way.
Yeah, we'll go this way. We'll turn this way. Nicely.
Okay.
I thought you were lost.
No. This was fun though. I had fun this morning walking in the rain. And it's good exercise.